Right now, I'm a manufacturing manager at Boeing, which is a global aerospace company that builds anything from small private airplanes to really big passenger airplanes and rocket ships that are currently on their pursuit to Mars. In my job, I supervise a crew of mechanics that build large-scale tooling and access stands for the Boeing 777 and 777X. In my building, we have lots of robotics, so it's important to stay alert to keep yourself and your team safe. But the robots are really fun to look at because they're bright orange building a bright green fuselage, which is the middle body section of an airplane. You shouldn't be afraid to take a risk. Just because you haven't seen someone do it before doesn't mean it isn't possible. There's always an opportunity to be the first, whether that's walking on the moon or taking a job in manufacturing.